Let's examine how LWPS executes the following program. Python always begins at line 1 tab 0. The statement at line 1 tab 0 is x equals 3. Python takes a few steps to evaluate 3 and store the result in x. At time 3, the variables map contains the new entry x3, and the current line is now 2. The statement at line 2 tab 0 is y equals 3. Next, Python evaluates this assignment statement at line 2 and moves to line 3. The statement at line 3 tab 0 is x equal y. LWPS converts this expression to an EQ function call and pushes it to the expression stack. Next, Python pushes the function call arguments x and y to the expression stack. Then Python pops the arguments one at a time and evaluates them and pushes them into the value stack. Now that all the arguments have been evaluated, Python can evaluate EQXY. Python pops the two values at the top of the value stack, 3 and 3, and compares them. They're equal, so Python pushes true to the value stack. Python also pops the empty top element and the function call from the expression stack. At time 11, the value stack contains true. The expression stack now just contains one element, an empty stack. Expression evaluation is complete. Python now moves on to the next line, and the program is finished.